Today we shall discuss the solution of such pairs of equations which are not linear but can be reduced to linear form by making some suitable substitutions. Here now we are going to solve the problems in exercise 3.6 which is not in the linear form. The first question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Now by seeing this equation you can understand that this is not in the linear form. A linear equation is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now here since it is not in the form of linear equation, we have to substitute this with some values and then make it as a linear equation. So we are taking, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Now how to do this? Now take 1 by 2x. The first equation, first term is 1 by 2x. 1 by 2x is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by x. That is 1 by x we are taken as a. So it is 1 by 2a. So a by 2. The next term is 1 by 3y. 1 by 3y is nothing but 1 by 3 into 1 by y. 1 by y we have taken as b. So now 1 by 3 into b is equal to b by 3. Now take the first equation from 1. We are substituting the value, what we have substituted that we have taken as 1 by x as a. So we get a by 2 plus b by 3 is equal to 2. Now take the LCM for 2 and 3. The LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 2. Now 3a plus 2b is equal to 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So with this we take this as third equation. Same way take the second equation 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Here also we are substituting 1 by x as a and 1 by y as b. Now see here 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by x. So 1 by x we are taken as a. So 1 by 3 into a, that is a by 3. Next we are taking 1 by 2y next term. So 1 by 2 into 1 by y, that is 1 by 2 into b, that is b by 2. Now here we are writing a by 3 plus b by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now when I take LCM, 3 and 2, the LCM is 6. So 2a plus 3b. Hope you know how to take write using LCM. That is equal to 13 by 6. Now here both the side we have 6, we can cancel because when 6 goes to this side becomes in the numerator and 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So straight away when you get like this in the denominator here 6 and here either side of the equal to sign, we can cancel that number, same number. So 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. Take this as fourth equation. Now we can use any method to solve this, either cross multiplication, substitution or elimination. But here elimination method will be very easier to find out. For elimination method you know that one term should be same. Here we have 3a plus 2b is equal to 12 and here we have 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, fourth equation. So either one term you should make it same. So what I am going to do is the third equation I am multiplying by 2 and fourth equation I am multiplying by 3. So that this first term becomes 6. So both will be 6 and the elimination will be easier. So equation 3 I am multiplying by 2. So when I multiply I get 6a plus 4b equal to 24. Take this as fifth equation. And equation 4 I am multiplying by 3. So 3 into the whole equation gives you 6a plus 9b equal to 39. Take this as sixth equation. Now we are going to solve only this fifth and sixth equation to find the values of a and b. By elimination method, equation 5 minus 6. Now see, we have the first term as 6a, 6a. Now the same number has come but same sign is there. I have told you that whenever the same number say for one variable is there and if the sign is same you have to subtract. Only then you can eliminate that term. So when I subtract the sign changes throughout. So now when I get minus 5b is equal to minus 15. Minus and minus gets cancelled. B is equal to 15 by 5. B is equal to 3. Now substitute this b is equal to 3. I have substituted in fifth equation. You can also substitute in third equation or fourth equation or sixth equation. Any one equation. Don't take the first two equations. The other equations you can substitute. Then we get the value of a. Now 6a plus 4b is equal to 24. 6a plus 4 into 3 is 24. 6a plus 12 is 24. 6a is equal to 24 minus 12. 6a is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 6. A is equal to 2. Now we got b is equal to 3. A is equal to 2. Now we have assumed 1 by x is equal to a. So 1 by x is equal to a value is 2. So 2 means it is 2 by 1. So now 1 by x is equal to 2 by 1. We want the value of x. Now take the reciprocal of that. So when I take reciprocal, we should take the reciprocal on both the sides. So 1 by x becomes x by 1 and 2 by 1 becomes 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, 1 by y we have taken as b. 1 by y the value is 3. So it is 3 by 1. So y by 1 is equal to 1 by 3. When you take reciprocal for the left hand side, you should take for the right hand side also. So y is equal to 1 by 3. Hence x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. The next question is 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Take this as first equation. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1 second equation. In this case, we have got 1 by root x. So let us take 1 by root x as a and 1 by root y as b. Now see here, 2 by root x is 2 into 1 by root x. That is 1 by root x you have taken as a, so it is 2a. Next 3 by root y is equal to 3 into 1 by root y, that is equal to 3b. So instead of this value we can substitute 2a and this we can take it as 3b. So now here take the first equation, 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. This is the third equation. The same way in the second equation 4 by root x. 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. Fourth equation. Now here elimination method we are going to do. So it will be easy. Here the easy method is, see the first term is 2. Here it is 4. Either we can multiply this third equation by 2. So we get this as 4a. Or we can multiply by 3 so that this becomes 9. So this and this becomes same. Either by 2 you can multiply or you can multiply by 3 also. Now here I have taken multiplied by the third equation by 2. So I got 4a plus 6b is equal to 4. This is the fifth equation. So now the first term 4a, both the terms are same. Next, by elimination method, 4 minus 5. The first term is same. I told you when the signs are same, you have to subtract. So when the sign change or throughout the sign changes, so it becomes, see, minus 9b minus 6b, same sign should add and put the same sign, minus 15b. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus and minus gets cancelled. So b is equal to 5 by 15, b is equal to 1 by 3. Now substitute this b is equal to 1 by 3 in any one of the equation. Third equation, fourth equation, fifth equation or fifth equation. So now when I substitute in fourth equation, now 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. So 4a is minus 9 into b value is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. 4a minus 3 is equal to minus 1. 4a is equal to minus 1 plus 3. When it comes to the other side, it becomes plus. 4a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2 by 4. Cancel. It becomes a is equal to 1 by 2. Now, we have assumed 1 by root x is equal to a. So, 1 by root x is equal to a. The a value is 1 by 2. So, 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Now, root x will be the reciprocal. 1 by root x reciprocal is root x by 1 is 2 by 1. Now I have to remove this root. So what I am going to do is square on both the sides. When I square on both the sides, root x square is nothing but x. Because root x means it is x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. So x is equal to 2 square is 4. Same way, 1 by root y I have taken as b. So 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3. The reciprocal of 1 by root y is root y. And 1 by 3 is 3. So square on both the sides. Root y square is equal to 3 square. Y is equal to 9. This another method is there. Root x is equal to 2. You can also do like this. X power 1 by 2 is 2. X is equal to 2 square. X is equal to 4. Either method you can. Hence x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. The next question is